Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on the same subject the other day for a plasma cutter where he has duplicate copies, but I started looking at an E-cut, which is produced by Macro Monster, and for some reason it won't work while I'm recording, but I just clicked on the item and went to find duplicate, and it found a duplicate, and I'm going to press yes, and it took the duplicate away. There's only one duplicate. There's only one copy. And as you can see, before I did that, there was another copy on top of that. For some reason, the macro won't work with the recording software working, but it did work that time. So I'm just starting to really use this more and more. This is pretty cool. All the things that come within the E-cut. I mean, it's a good investment. I think it's 60 bucks, and it just, you can go through here and look at the description. I mean, go to their website. I'm not doing this just for any other reason, just to share the knowledge of what's out there. I don't have any ties with this company. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.